Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing good. Firstly, like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today my topic is about long skirts. Long skirts have transcended fashion trends, remaining as symbols of timeless elegance and versatility in women's wardrobes. From flowing necks, skirts, or pillar middies, these graceful garments have adorned women across cultures and generations, making a lasting impression with their own charm and sophistication. One of the most appealing aspects of the long skirt is their ability to suit various occasions, as well chosen skirts can seamlessly transition from a casual to a formal setting. Maxi skirt with their floor gracing length create an floor organizing length create an effortlessly chic look that's perfect for the leisurely strolls or beach outings. Paired with a simple top, they evoke easygoing bohemian styles to the woman. As easy is the dark maxi or a beach outings, paired with a bohemian vibe and capturing the essence of carefree woman dress. In more formal setting, midi and ankle-length skirts take center stage, exuding a polished and refined aura. These skirts pair seamlessly with blouses, blazers, or stylish sweaters, making them a versatile choice for office wear to sophisticated evening events. The elongating effect of a well-filtered long skirts contribute to a flattering silhouette, adding an extra touch of confidence to the wearer. Long skirts also offer a wide range of styling possibilities, allowing individuals to express their unique possibilities. Patterns, solids, or texture fabric provide endless opportunity for creativity. Whether it's a floral printed for a whimsical touch or a monochromatic look for a timeless sophistication, long skirts can be tailored to fit various fashion preferences. Seasonality is another factor that contributes to the enduring popularity of long skirts in the older months. They can be paired with a cozy sweaters, ties, and boots for a stylish and warm ensembles. When temperature rise, a lightweight maxi skirt become more breezy and a comfortable choice, allowing for both comfort and style in hotter climates. Cultural influences play a significant role in the adoption and adaptation to long skirt across the globe. Traditional garments like the Indian sari, Japanese kimono, or a Middle Eastern abaya demonstrate the enduring appeal of longer timeless in a preserving culture heritage. As the fashion continues to evolve, long skirts find new interpretations, blending traditional elements with contemporary aesthetics. Moreover, the sustainability movement has placed a renewed focus on the timeless wardrobe staples, encouraging consumers to invest in quality pieces with enduring style. Long skirts being versatile and enduring, elegant with its ethos, becoming a sustainable choice that transcended fleeting fashion trends.